toss, toss, toss. Let that energy really go to the floor. Da, 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 da. Make it big. Make drama out of it. But you have to go with the music. So this is how you're doing the movement, right? But there's points where you might hold for a second. Hold for a microsecond. Up, over, down, da, to the floor. Bring that energy back. Make it big. So veil wheel, one more time. I know it's easier said than done in a way, but it's pretty easy to do. Once you get it, it is very, very, it just feels right. But sometimes explaining it, I think, makes it appear more complicated than it actually is. So our centurion making this pattern on the floor. Now let's make the pattern in the air, on the wall. And back.